guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa, and in today's video I completed this look using the new ABH and Jackie Aina Collab palette, eyeshadow palette. So beautiful. Let me just show you in case you haven't had a chance to get your hands on it, and if you haven't, I suggest you go ahead. So I'm so excited for Jackie, you guys. I'm really rooting for everybody black, everybody who's doing their thing, being successful. I'm so excited. So I tried to recreate the look that she did in her video when she first put the release out. So hopefully I did a good job. Okay, so I'm gonna put big wig right here and just kind of blend the two in together to make like a gradient effect. And I actually filmed with this palette like 2 days ago, but I really didn't like how the video came out. Like the look itself came out cute, but the video I just was not a fan of. I'm not gonna do too much big wig, just enough. You guys see that? Just enough. I'm gonna blend that in with the other side of the brush that came with the palette, especially this side. Now I'm looking down in the mirror at this. Take Wigglies. Wigglies is this beautiful red color. She put that all on her lid, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go in with Pinker, which is this kind of mauve-ish in-between shade. This shade. And I'm gonna use it to like transition between Supreme and Big Wig a little bit. Just a little bit. So again, this is the final look. I hope that you liked it. I hope that I did Jackie justice in recreating her look that she did in her video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And as always, stay tuned for my next video.